Hi everyone, welcome to visit our company. This is Kate from Solarbio. Now let's start from 3B area. The whole area is the working area for the sales department and IT department. Established in 2004, we have achieved a lot of honors. This is our honor wall. We have passed ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 certifications. Here is 2B area for antibody-related validation work. This is BioRad imaging system, and this is a ELISA automatic staining machine for HE staining. Now we come to Western blotting laboratory. Our colleagues are doing Western blotting experiments. This is the lab for IHC test. The room is for sample pre-processing and embedding. This area is for making frozen sections and paraffin sections. This is our multifunctional scanning room. Currently, we have two 3D Histech scanners for panoramic scanning. We can undertake technical services from universities and research institutions. Here is our peptide synthesis room. This peptide automatic synthesis instrument can synthesize 108 peptides in one time, enabling high throughput and multi-variety peptide production. It is our high-performance liquid chromatography machine. It is used for peptide and standards analysis. This is our mass spectrometer to test the quality of our peptides. Now we come to the laboratory of biochemical assay kit, which is used for content and enzyme activity tests. We have approximately 940 types in total, suitable for most common samples like animal tissues and cells, serum plasma, plant tissues, and soil. Now we come to ELISA kit laboratory. We have over 1,300 types of ELISA kits, covering species such as human, mouse, rat, and small laboratory animals like porcine, bovine, sheep, chicken, monkey, and rabbit, etc. We are equipped with an automatic coating machine and a plate washing machine. The coating machine can ensure that the difference between plates does not exceed 2%. And the plate washing machine can wash 150 plates in 1 hour. This is our quality control sheets and shipping list for all our ELISA kits. We retain the records for future verification. Now we come to the quality inspection laboratory. It's our regular quality inspection qPCR instrument, the Roche 480, which is a very classic model. Here are our two production filling lines. One is used for filling small batches of about 100 millimeters, and the other is for filling 500 millimeters. Well, that's all I want to share about Solarbio. Thanks for watching, and you are welcome to visit us in person. Bye!